We'll guide you through how to connect speakers to a monitor. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you need to make sure this is set up correctly in order for the sound to go and work. You may be in the situation of where your monitors don't have any speakers, so the sound doesn't come out of it at all. Or you may be in the situation of where they do have speakers, but they're very quiet and low quality, and you've got dedicated speakers like I do here, which you want to use. So make sure it's this full guide, as we're guiding you through different ways you can go about this, and you can go and decide on the way that's going to go and work best for you. So to go and get started, we need to go and head to the back of the monitor. Here we are on the back. So what you need to do is go and find the outputs of the monitor. So you can go and see here, I can see the HDMI, the display port, but what we're looking for here is this symbol. This is a headphone symbol, which basically means audio output. So that's also going to go and mean we can go and plug our speakers into that. You can then just go and look at the port, as you want to make sure it's a port that your cable for your speakers is going to go and support. So this is the situation for me. But you may also find yourself in the situation of where your monitor does not go and have an audio output or a speaker or a headphone port. So therefore, we're gonna have to find another workaround, which I'm gonna guide you through in a moment. We've got two other options we can actually go and use. But now what I can go and do is I can go and grab my speaker cable, which is this cable here. This is the 3.5mm jack, which is quite common for audio output. So then what we can do is we can go and plug this in here. I've now successfully plugged it in, and we just need to go and adjust the setting on the computer itself. Come to the bottom right of your screen and go and find the sound icon and right click on it, press sound settings. In here, you then need to come to output, and you need to make sure you go and choose your display. So maybe trying to display elsewhere, but choose the display. So if you find yourself in the situation of where your monitor does not go and have a audio output for headphones or speakers, what you can go and consider getting is an audio pass-through device. So you can go and get an HDMI pass-through. What this goes and means is you're going to go and plug the HDMI at the moment, which goes straight from your computer to your monitor into the pass-through box. And then that is the input for that box, of course. And then outputted will be a audio jack, which we can plug the speakers into. And also we can go and then connect another HDMI cable, which would then go to the monitor. So it acts as a pass-through to go and give you an audio output. So that's a good option. We're going to link one of them down below to Amazon. You can go and check out. Alternatively, what you can do is, instead of waiting for the sound to go from your computer to your monitor and then connecting your speakers, you could go and plug them straight into the computer. Or if it's a different device, you can try plugging it straight into that. So for example, I'll come to the back of my computer now. Here we are on the back of my computer, and then you want to go and find the audio output, which is this middle one here out of the different ports. So I'll go and plug it in like so. Once again, you need to go to your audio settings on your device. So I'll right click in the bottom right here on the sound speakers and press sound settings. And then I'll go and select my speakers, which are the Realtek USB audio. That's it. The sound would then be coming through them. So hopefully you've now managed to go and successfully connect them. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.